Meaning of gigabyte.
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 Gigabyte. A gigabyte is a unit of digital information storage that represents 1 billion bytes of information. It is often used to quantify the amount of data in computer hard drives, memory cards, and other digital storage devices. 1 gigabyte can store approximately 230 MP3 songs, 30 minutes of uncompressed high-definition video, or over 170,000 pages of text. As technology continues to advance, the need for larger amounts of digital storage has become increasingly important, with gigabytes being just a small fraction of the storage capacities available today.